Hello, my friends. It's been a while. I know I've been doing a lot of shorts, but today I wanted to do a video. No makeup. So I'm gonna do a makeup video. It's been a minute. And I'm gonna show you a couple things that I'm loving right now, and hopefully you'll love them too. So don't forget to subscribe and comment down below of what you thought of this video. Okay, so first of all, the only thing I have on my face is the Clinique moisturizing lotion. So it's my moisturizer. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna do kind of an easy, almost everything is like drugstore makeup. But okay, so if you're in a hurry, this little instant concealer from Maybelline, and it is, what's it called? Corrector. So all you do, instant age rewind. Okay, so you twist it up like this and it like comes out there. But instead of doing like all your face, I just got hit like all these little, look at that, right? There go the dark circles. And I feel like I kind of have rosacea. I don't know if it's hormone related or what. I mean, just redness, you know, but this gets rid of all that. So I just kind of put it everywhere. I would put concealer and then I take my brush and rub it in. Okay. This is my Merit. Yeah, Merit. Love this concealer brush from Merit. They actually, I don't know if you saw my video, but they gave me free products to sample and put on my video. So go back and watch that, and go back and watch all my videos. I have so many good videos, you guys. So many tips and tricks for life, not just makeup, lifestyle, book recommendations, just really fun stuff. So, okay, look at that. How easy is that? Oh, and by the way, also, guess what? These earrings, I did a little video on them. 14 karat gold from Costco. How great is that? Okay, so there we go. How easy now that my face is done. So that kind of sets the backdrop. Okay, I'm obsessed with this NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette. And I'm really obsessed with this one right here. Obviously it's like completely gone. So all I do is I take actually a little makeup brush that kind of has an angle to it like that. And I just put this all over my lid, the bottom part of my lid. It's really pigmented, so check that out, right? Like, wow, hi, really pigmented. And I just put it right there. And of course, do the windshield wiper right there, right? Windshield wiper. And I know it looks dramatic, but it'll all come together. But then see how this brush like is angled? I take the very tip of this and I dip that right in there, right? The very tip of it. And then I go under my eye like this. Love that. So take the tip of your brush, just go under your eye like this. And how easy is that? Okay. Then I like this Charlotte Tilbury, what is this? Film Star Bronze and Glow. Now, to me, it's not pigmented enough. I usually like a little darker, but it's great because it's 2-in-1. So I take it, and there's my bronzer on both sides. And I've been kind of going higher with it. It's very lifting. So I kind of been going higher, and I keep going all the way up. I learned that from my makeup artist. I can't remember who. It might have been Mario, Mario. And then I just do it right up here. And then I do my jawline. So you just go along the jawline on both sides and then bring it down. Okay. Then I take the highlighter portion right here and I dip my little highlighter brush. It's kind of a fan brush. I just put it right there. See that? Love that. And then I also do tip of my nose and like that. So kind of like that. There's the highlighter. All right. But then guess what? I also, where's my brush? I also like to use this for under my eyebrows. And usually I do my eyebrows first, but just right on that brow bone, look at that. See how pretty that is? Okay, and then stay with me because a little there too. And then I just put a little on my nose. This new brush, okay, not brush, this pencil, Artist Color Pencil, Makeup Forever, okay, do you know about this? Okay, this is a multi-use, watch this. It's in Endless Curacao 506. And by the way, let me put on my readers. My new readers, what do you think? Yes, Endless Curacao 506. These readers are from Peepers. They are called Women's Center Stage, and they are $29.99. right. So anyways, okay, back to this brush. This brush, so you can use it for your eyebrows. So I just kind of go up like feathering, like as if they're like hair-like, you know, and then I just continue over here and all the way down. And then I just kind of keep going and fill it in, right? And then I do the same thing. Okay, well, look at what a difference. Hi, love that. Okay, let me keep going. So then again, you go up and almost like hair-like, and then I fill in the rest. And just follow, and then go a little longer. And then I just kind of fill it in just until you feel like you have enough eyebrows on there. Because it doesn't matter how perfect it is, because I'm gonna go over it with my gel from Benefit. It's just clear gel. And then that way all those little suckers stay in place, right? Okay, and it doubles, if you watch my other videos, as a hair tamer. Yep, so you can tame your hairs with it. Multi-purpose. Everything I have today I feel like are multi-purpose. So tame your flyaways with that. Okay, but guess what? Also this is, it's a lip pencil. And always go lower than your lips, and then just come up a little early so that it's almost like heart-like. Anyways, and then my daughter, well, let me do this. It's hard to talk and do this. She's like, fill in right here, Mama. It gives you like fuller lips, right? Okay, and it doesn't have to be perfect because I usually just blend it in. How crazy is that? So eyebrows and lip, like how crazy is that? But then I usually do put like a gloss on top of it. This is a Burt's Bees little gloss, and I just kind of like in the center, and then just blend it in so it's a little gloss. But you can use any gloss, whatever. Okay, then okay, I am obsessed with these. I used to always use the Lancome or Tweezerman, but this is Shiseido. Okay, so this is the eyelash curler, and you just curl them. I just leave it on for like 10 seconds or whatever. So curl your lashes, and I'm gonna tell you about this new mascara I'm loving. Okay, good old L'Oreal Telescopic. How have I not known about this? Yes, please and thank you. They had it at Costco. And yeah. So here we go. Really lengthens, but it doesn't look like crazy clumpy, but there is a lot of product on it, so you have to be careful. So I kind of do one, take a break, do the other, and then if I feel like I want more, I'll do more, okay? Oh, and I just realized, okay, actually this is probably good this happened. I just realized, forgot my eyeliner, but guess what I've been doing? I have been doing the, what is it called? Tight line? Do you know this? So where you take your eyeliner and you really kind of like get up in your eyelashes with it. So, okay, I just got this new eyeliner. This is Wet n Wild Multi-Stick in black. But if you don't like black, I have one that's very similar, which is L'Oreal Voluminous in Smoldering, and this is in brown. So anyways, but I'm gonna do the black. So you get up, and this rolls up, so there's no sharpener involved, hallelujah. Okay, but you just get up underneath your eyelashes like this, and it, oh my gosh, I just love this. I've been doing this so much lately. And it just gets all up in there. Yeah, I love that. Okay, let me do this side. You just literally smush it into your lash line, basically. You're smushing it so that the white part of your lash line is no longer white, it's black. Like, hi, do you love that? I love that. Okay, so a couple other things I wanna mention. Did my hair with the T3 today on the lowest setting, the 2, because this sucker gets hot, but look at these curls. Like, don't you love this? Okay, so shout out to that. Did I mention my earrings? Okay, these earrings from Costco, 14 karat gold. Run, don't walk, and you're welcome. And they're like $139. And you can use your Costco bonus check if you want and use it on that. Okay, and then the last thing is this hairspray. Okay, this hairspray smells so good. I love it. It is the Davines. Anyways, and you just finish with that. And how easy is that, you guys? You're welcome. And please subscribe and let me know what you're loving right now, or let me know what you want me to do a video on, and I'll do that. And then, oh, one last thing. Oh, I want to do one last thing because I forgot. Okay, so in the center of your eyelash and of your eyelid, okay, this color right here, you guys, I don't even know what it's called. It's this one right here. You just put it right in the center of your eye like that, and it kind of brightens it up. Isn't that cool? So yeah, and then you just kind of spread it around, and there you go. There's the finished look, and I've missed you. I hope you all are doing great. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.